Hello. So, there are a few things that you always need to do. So, if you're a computer science student or someone who has some passion in computer science or really loves to work with computers, there is one thing that you really should know. So, the one thing is terminal. Let's just hit the terminal. So I'm hitting command space to get my spotlight and writing terminal. Here it is. So this is the window that is terminal. So in terminal, what you can do, you can navigate through your computer file system directories and run bunch of commands. So I will just show you the basic 5 or 6 commands here that you will probably need most of the time. So first of all, the first command that is pwd, present working directory. So this will just show you the directory you are working right now. See here that I am working on user/exterior, which is my user account or the user folder. So this is the first command. The second command is ls or list. So when you type ls, it will just show you every directories and files in that system. So you can see some bunch of files in my directory: applications, Ceylon projects, clients, blah 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 blah. Then this another important one is how do you navigate. You navigate through another command which is called cd change directory, and you need to write the directory you want to go. That is, I suppose I want to go to my music directory, so I would say music. So here it goes. I'm in the music directory. There is some folders, I guess. I don't know what they are anyway. But in case if you want to go back, you need to use cd. One second. So how you use cd? Cd double dot means go to the back directory. So here I am in the root folder of my user folder. So you can there's this shortcut that you can write cd mu, the first 2 letter or some letter, then you press tab. It will auto complete it to the music, then you can go there and then you can go back. How about creating a file? So there is this another command that you always will need, that is touch. So touch basically creates a file. Like before creating a file, let's create a directory. Like there's another command that is to make a directory. So that is mk to make dir to directory, mkdir, then you space, then you pass in the name of the directory. Suppose I'll pass in tutorial. So here it is. So let's see. From here you can see we have a directory that is tutorial. So we can go to the cd, and if you press tab only, it will show all the possible combination of the stuff that you can do. So cd tutorial, we are into the tutorial. So let's create a file. So how do you create a file? You create a file through another command that is touch, 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 like touching it, haha. So you create a file with a touch command. So let's create a file something like, let's create a file main.cpp. So it's a C++ file. So here we can see that we already got a cpp file. So there is this little text editor that is already built into the terminal. So let's try to use that. Nano main.cpp. So nano is a terminal and the main.cpp is the file. So it goes by the application name and the file name. So if you just press enter right now, here is the text editor, so we can just edit it. Then suppose what we going to edit, like something like, let's hashtag preprocessor include IO stream then using namespace standard int main, something like that. So basically it's a C++, so we will like cout hello world, something like that, endl endline. So how you get out of quit out of it, you just come on X, it will say do you want to modify the buffer, you would say Y to yes, then the file name, that is enter, it's done. So we have so basically these commands are the basic commands that you always need. So that's all for the terminal part, but there's great resource in the YouTube that you can always find out, great resource in the sorry, my bad, great resource in the internet, so from there you can always find out some good stuff. So that's it for today. So this is a part of, before I go, let me tell you one thing. So this is the part of a small tutorial series that I am trying to do, which is basically a little bit of programming, some coding convention that you need to follow, some coding guideline that is pretty much helpful, some conventions, some stuff that makes the code manageable even better. So I'm not very much expert at this, but you can follow along to find out some interesting part in the series. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you liked it, I guess. Thank you.